Hey folks, today you're gonna see some special art right here exactly. Typically you'll be seeing me changing an outlet right here. With a kind of good perspective when you see me doing all this. And the next one, this is part 5 of this. This is the final video I'm making for the outlet video. Yeah, sure, let's go ahead and get started. Get our tools ready and all that. And this won't take long as much, so gotta just get scoot the chair. Move this bike before I can get started. That we'll be replacing that one again. And we got 1x1 covers. So put one here. Alright. Make sure you guys are on video right now. Put one here. Alright. Let's get our tools ready. Let's get started. Again, for the fifth time today. It counts as fifth time to do this. So there's no cover, so we're gonna make this thing to cover up. So we have to prepare for some tools and all that. Alright. And don't worry about let's worry about this outlet that we'll be working on. Let's open this so we have enough light to come in. Alright. It's pressed in. That's always gonna stay open. Alright, no time to waste. And there's no commentary for this one, so we're gonna keep an eye on this one. Alright, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do this time. As a first perspective at this time on both of them. I had decided I wanted to do this today, so hope this will work. Well, I'm not sure we're gonna sit down. Well, maybe it's just the reason why we can't sit down, because this chair is so low. Why that way, so let's go ahead and get this chair, put it over next to an outlet. It's a bit taller than you expected. Yeah. I guess that's the only option, just have to stay in for this one. Make sure you guys are looking at it. Chances are though. Alright. This is your guys' first perspective to change an outlet. Alright, get ready to do this. Alright, that should get out a bit. Alright, you see the wires. Alright, let's get our drill again. Alright. ground. Just under there. Gotta be somewhere under there. Oh yeah, it's connected to the bottom one. Alright, we're gonna have to get the pliers for this one. Got it somewhere. Oh, there it is. All right. Gotta apply some more, a little bit of it. Gotta make sure we gotta get to it though. Okay, now it's on. This needs to be spread out. It's hard to budge these because it's hard to unscrew these. It's hard to budge these things, it's hard. I understand. Should be good there. Alright, we should. Oh, that's good. Unscrew the rest of it though. Well, you don't have to unscrew it. You have to do some work on these in order to work. There we go, that's on for the white. All right. Play this one too. Now we're gonna find something to wipe something off of it. If we see anything about it though, we're just gonna have to do it. No. We're just gonna find something else. Hope you did. I hope you guys did see what I was doing today, so. I might not find a good one I'm gonna find. But oh well, I guess. So let's get back to normal. Let's get back to work, exactly. I'm gonna have to see if we're gonna try to work with this thing, so. Alright. This should push to the holes, to the screws, to the electrical box. Alright, that's good on it. I have to cut this bag through the. There we go. All right. Okay, outlets now placed in. All right. We should just test it. Some way, we're gonna have to find a way to test it though. But maybe once we get this outlet replaced. I do have another switch for it, so I'm gonna work on that as well. I might not be able to use my tools at this time, so I'm just gonna have to figure out something, a way to do, so. That outlet's gonna stay until I get those, eventually. All right. Hold on, y'all. I'm just gonna have to get a different jacket because this one can't see enough. So you're just gonna have to walk with me so I can get a new jacket. So I guess that's the only option. And by this week, exactly, probably in a few days, we're gonna have our lawnmower back. So I have to do something else with it, though. All right, we're in the house. And yes. Hold on. My phone. $3,500. Why? Does it have any issues with it? When you're asking me about that Dodge truck. Okay. That truck, we're not gonna sell that thing. Why did that never stop truck? Alright. I'm just gonna wear Johnny's old coat here. Okay, that was my pencil here. Hope that will work this time. Okay, that's good. Alright. Now you got good seeing right now. It's better than an Android. So, I have an option for it though. So that's why I have to wear this today, exactly. Because the phone right here I'm currently using is not tall enough to see enough. So it's just a Pro. My iPhone is it's not a Pro, it's just a regular one. We'll see if we can work on this, alright? I don't have an issue with Johnny's coat either. This was Johnny's coat, exactly, that I'm wearing. Right before he passed away, he left all of his stuff left behind. Even that green truck that you're seeing. Alright. Only got a couple buttons on it. And then we should be moving on though. Sorry to take so long, but I had to get another coat because the green coat cannot reach the camera sight on my phone. So I'm gonna use Johnny's coat for today. And I will review my video and then post it on YouTube. Alright. Leave a comment if you have good viewing content right here. Alright. We're just gonna do something else. Oh yeah, gotta use my drill because it's not easy to unscrew it by hand. Gotta make sure which way it goes. The string's gotta move. Oh, hold on. I gotta go upstairs and go ahead and raise the bucket up. I'll show you. This string right here, this goes to the bucket. That was pretty loud. Let's not lose track of this time right now. Alright, back to more of this stuff. Okay, this one has 2 wires on this. Additional copper wire run to the hot. God darn it. Cannot see the oh, you can. That's spend. Oh yeah. All right. That's gonna stay there. And that screw on this thing to connect it to the ground. Always have that kind of issue there. So I'm gonna have to use that kind, like almost a force. A bit force, exactly. Let's see. Where is it? That little needle thing. There it is. Couldn't find it in the first place. Well, I did find it in the first place, but I couldn't find it in the second place either. All right. We're gonna... That ball was almost about to roll away. Good thing I caught it in time then. Just get it anyways. Where's my... We're gonna have to find a way to push it down. So we have another one up here. Just on the ground right there. The ceiling is pretty low in here, so I'm a 2 stairs in this building, in this workshop of mine. I don't know what we're doing this too much, but it's getting messy again. Hate to say it though, because this building was belonged to the previous owner of this house. Okay. Where's my freaking drill? Okay. Right below me. I'm not budging or anything. Alright, get the white wire connected. Let's do the top one with this one. I guess we're gonna have to use a needle again. This likes to... Because this was not supposed to be like that when it's supposed to be. So, take the trick of using it. Pretty much, that's all you have to do. Just change out electrical outlet. That's easy to do. Okay, that's the one, and that black one is the last one. That was pretty easy. Oh no, it just came out again. Okay, we can push this outlet back. All right, it's all done. We can get the cover for it. There we go. We got 2 of them done today. All right. Most importantly, we're gonna test those 2 outlets. Those are brand new ones that you saw earlier. Okay. Let's test the ones that's up on the light fixture in the ceiling. Let's try. You'll see a light glimpse coming on, so watch out for that. Okay, that works. It's better than using in the kind of way that way, so it's not to have to budge, but you don't have to budge it anymore. Just like last time, it was pretty budging, pretty hard to do. You get used to these things, you never know. I guess that's all for today, y'all. This video was a great intensity right now, exactly. For my sake, I'm just here to entertainment how to install and reinstall and replace these outlets. So that was the simple way to do, and I know. Make sure you have to turn the power on just like I do. If you're a pro, you know better. You know better how to change an outlet if you're a pro. Well, I'm gonna have to shut these doors because we're not gonna be entering this building right now this time. Alright. These switches doesn't do anything because the breaker right here is also tripped. You see that? That's tripped. So, if it's tripped, then you cannot turn the power on that kind of breaker. So let's go ahead and turn these lights off to consume energy, exactly. Oh wait, I'm getting hiccups again. Well, I'm just gonna leave that light on since we're gonna be locking it from the inside. And we're gonna have something to force this door to be staying closed at permanent. That's something. So we have secure. So this is a security reason why we have to do this. If you cannot see it, I will turn on the light for you. Alright. Find that strap. Where does that strap go? I might find it later. For now, I guess that's all for today, y'all. Pretty much. Alright. Let's go ahead and turn the lights off. Back again one last time. And this one too as well. Alright. Only the ones that are lighting in here, it's those two things that you can have. Those are the lights. Oh, well, you can see the light through the roof anyways. I gotta make sure my key is in my pocket so I can lock it from the outside as well. So the reason why I have to do this is to prevent from people breaking into my building here. I don't like that, so you might disagree on that. It's my personal reasons. And this lock is pretty old, so it's usable until I get a new one. Okay, it's locked in place. I don't know what to tell ya, so good luck, y'all. Have a good night. Take care. God bless you all. God bless us all. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.